in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager and how to manage it. In the beginning, as you can see, we've got two File Manager apps, one provided by Redmi and the second one provided by Google. Firstly, let's enter the one provided by Redmi. Agree and continue, allow. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you've got access to your images, videos, documents, music, apps, Bluetooth and downloads, archives and more. Also, you can clean junk files. Then you can go to internal storage itself. If you go to files provided by Google, you've got also access to your collections, nearby share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files, clean and recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.